Chemo was hard with my mom. We were sitting in the living room and she told us, and I kind of was angry and sad all mixed together, and I just sat there and cried for about an hour. I didn't say anything to anybody. A couple weeks after she had her first surgery, and that was hard, seeing her go through like all the pain and then us taking her place as mom in the family. Like, we do things that she has always done for us. I spent most of my time in my room with music and not really spending time with other people, just with myself, and it gave me too much time to think about things. So I would just like be a little hermit in my room. And that really affected me because I drew myself away from friends and family, and I just stayed in my room all the time. I probably missed out on a lot of things that I could have been doing. I got asked out by a boy, and he found out from his mom that my mom had cancer, and he approached me on it. It was kind of hard for me because that was the first time that I've ever said anything to anybody about it. After opening up to him, I grew more in opening up to people. It helped me like open up more, and it like led me to later be better at talking to my parents about things and sharing stuff with them rather than keeping it to myself. It got better after her last surgery and she was off of chemo, but we still like go through the days where she like doesn't feel good and we have to take her place as mom in the family, and that's hard on all of us. And the whole thing helped me grow in my love for music, and it helped me grow in my faith. I think he was trying to show me that he was there and I wasn't alone, and that he could help take my problems away and make me feel more at peace with myself and with my family and the things I was dealing with. Opening up is probably the most important thing, and having a strong faith in God and praying and believing that everything will be okay.